Good morning. It is a very exciting day today. Please ignore our Costco stocks in the background. But today is Monday, the 30th of June, and it is the first day of Wimbledon. And I'm lucky enough to be going with my friend Joe. We've got tickets for Centre Court, which is very exciting. I'll read out to you who we're going to see today because it is a fab lineup. Okay, so on Centre Court, we've got Fognini versus Alcaraz, followed by Paula Badosa and Katie Bolter, who is British, which will be great. Then we have Zverev versus Rinderknech. Please excuse my pronunciations of the names because I'm not the best. But Jo has to do a bit of work this morning, but she's going to come join me a little bit later. But my plan is to get to Wimbledon just before 10 when the grounds open, so that I can hopefully go and see one of the matches on the outdoor courts. And Nish has given me some suggestions of who I should go and see. And there's a bunch of games on all of the courts, and that's why people like to go earlier on, because there's a lot more tennis going on earlier in the tournament. You can see bigger names on smaller courts, which you can get in with just a grounds pass. So I'm sure it will be busy today. But what he suggested is for me to go to court 6 to see Tien and Basavaredi, who are both US players. Apparently they play in college. Apparently they're like equal levels. So it should be a pretty good match. But there are loads of other bits on to go and see if I can't get in there as well. But what I need to do now is pack my packed lunch for the day. I'm going to take the cooler bag that I took to Queen's the other day. Of course, I've got sun cream. There are some rules about what you can and can't bring into Wimbledon. So you can either take in 1 bottle of wine or Prosecco in terms of alcohol, or you can take in 2 500ml cans of beer, or you can take in 2 cans of like a mix of spirits, so like a Pimm's can or a whatever. So I'm going to do 2 cans of Pimm's just because I think I prefer that. Also, it's pretty hot, so I don't think I'm really going to be wanting to drink that much today. But I'll show you what else I've got food-wise to take, and I will get that packed. I've got freezer bags, etc. Okay, so it's a pretty long day, so I've got quite a few bits. I've got some sandwiches here in Tupperware that I can bring. I've got some carrot sticks, cucumber, some strawberries, nice cool fresh bits. I've got some frozen fruits. I don't know whether I'll probably take these out of the box. I don't know if I guess I'll bring them on. Or maybe I'll leave a few behind. Okay, I'll leave some behind. I've got some butternut chili falafel bites. Got some Higgity hot honey and halloumi. I can't talk today. Cypriot halloumi and honey rolls, which are really yummy. Of course, corn sausages, and then 2 cans of Pimm's, which I'll pop in there. I'm also going to bring some cups as well. I've got sun cream here, which I'll leave in the side. I'm going to put that on before we head out. I'll bring some kitchen roll in case we need like a napkin, or actually we've got some leftover napkins somewhere, so I might pack some of those instead. Got some floral napkins, which I'll just pop in the top here. And I think that's it. Which I think is a pretty good stash for the day. So yeah, that is that. I'm going to fill up my water bottle, maybe put some ice in there because it'll keep it cool for the day. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make sure I've got all my bits ready and then make sure I've got a cap, sun cream, apply some sun cream now to make sure I'm protected. And yeah, then we can head out. I'm just wearing, I might actually make it a little looser. She feels, I was trying to cinch the waist, but, whew, okay. I've just got on this old Oliver Bonus butterfly dress, just because it's flowy. It's got sleeves for the most part, so it covers as much as possible. And then I can just apply sun cream where needed. So it'll be good for the heat. And yeah, excited. going to Wimbledon. We're just walking towards the queue. We just got grounds passes today, and
we're very early.
We're very early.
Almost like an hour early.
But we want to be early into the grounds so we can try and put our names down for resale. Okay, what's the plan?
gonna head to ticket resale first. Then once we've got the tickets, we're in the queue for the tickets. We're gonna go get some coffee. Then potentially court 14 if we can get one. I think court 14 is quite close to where the coffees are.
Yeah.
Because it's like court 6 or 7 and then it goes all the way again.
I think 14 is opposite 18, which is by the hill.
Okay, well, we're going to be moving around the whole the whole place.
Get those steps in.
Yep.
Show me the map.
Let's see.
So we start down here.
That's court 11. Yeah, we're here.
Yeah.
We're going to go all the way up to over here somewhere. Over here somewhere. This is where the ticket resale is. Then we're going to come back down here to get coffee. And then we're going to go find court 14, which is back up here. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of steps in the first couple of hours.
Yeah.
Sci-fi.
We made it in. We got our coughs. We've signed up for ticket resale, and now we're on court 3. Because it's the men's doubles and the
First seat pairing.
I'll let him do the technical check.
First seat pairing.
Which means the best
The best ones.
for those non-tennis lingo cats and guys. But yeah, and we're on the baseline. What is this called? Courtside baseline?
Yeah, something like that. We're in line with the baseline.
I'll show you.
Yeah, but we're literally on the front row.
Oh yeah, get it! So we've got a happy tennis buddy here.
Very happy. Wow, look at this pigeon.
to court 1 in resale, £10 tickets each. It's pretty good. We got good. I don't want anything now. God. We just caught the end of Nori and Jari's match. There was a bit of drama at the end. I don't know how you describe it. A bit of drama. Jari didn't like how vocal Nori was apparently, but it was good. And now it's Anisimova and Noskova. And Nish just saw his friend from tennis club across the way and they waved, which was cute. We both actually got friends over that side, so I want to try and see if we can see where they are. But yeah, so fun! What is this? My sunglass lines. Look a little dishevelled, but it's been a fun day.
It's been so fun. The doubles is so much fun to watch.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Doubles is a vibe.
Yeah. I think a lot of people dismiss it because it's obviously not the one that's you see on TV a lot of hits.
It's faster and more exciting.
It's a completely different game to singles.
No, we've had a great day. Honestly, even if we'd just done that or gone to see one more doubles
I would
match.
have been more than happy to go home.
Yeah. So thanks, Joe, for our tickets. Appreciate you.